Welcome back, my beautiful creatives. I am Elizabeth, and today I'm going to show you how to create shirts with characters and also text for a birthday party, for mom and dad, for brother, sister, for cousin, whomever you are inviting to the birthday that you would want them to wear a personalized shirt. Today I'm going to show you how to get that done. So this is my party favorite club. I am inviting you to come and join. You get a 7-day free trial. Check out everything that we have to offer. Also, if you go to Classroom, you will see that if you are a paid member, so if you do decide after the 7 days, you do have access to the apps. This is one of our products here that I give you access to design tools that you can use with AI. It includes the character creator, the animal art app, and then the ultimate text app. So you get all of these tools available to you if you do decide to become a member with our party favorite club. So go ahead, check it out. I'll add the link below. This is also the link to it. So again, check it out. If you do decide, then I will be seeing you in the community. So let's go ahead and get started with our video. All right, so we're going to start with the text word because we're not just using a main text. I'm actually titling it this way. Top title is mom, and then there's a space, line space. That makes more sense. And then the main text is Jason's first birthday. So this is Jason's first birthday. The decoration is a teddy bear. The colors is light blue, light green, and white, and navy blue. Okay, so here we can choose the type of text that we want. We can say a playful display. That's fine. If you want to add your own font, you can do that. The colors that we are going to be using is light blue and navy, or white with hint of navy. Okay. And then here it is asking you like what kind of finish do you want. We don't want anything shiny, rhinestones, or anything like that. So we're just gonna say a matte velvet finish. Now, if you have your own finish that you would want to add in here, you can. What kind of effects are we going to be adding to this? Are we adding any glitter, sparkles, embossed bevel? In this case, we're not going to pick one. We don't need one. Bold, raised, slightly embossed. What kind of depth do you want? We're going to say a puffy bubble depth. Okay. Elements. What do we want to add to this? We want a teddy bear as the main image. And what other elements do you want to use? And we want balloons. All right, aesthetic style that we want, kids playful, for a t-shirt, transparent background, copy prompt, and then we will open up ChatGPT, and then we will paste that prompt there, send it out. If you ever do get an image that something went wrong, please try again, just retry. This can happen depending on your internet connection. Sometimes it can also happen if you have anything in your text that might show or bring a red flag of it being a licensed character. We don't have any of that. So that should not be the issue. But if it does happen, it's because you probably wrote the word Disney, or if you want something like with a brand and you put on there the brand name, that can make that effect. Just go ahead and click retry or change the prompt and remove anything that is licensed. All right, we got our image. It looks fabulous. It looks beautiful. It does have a white background, so you are able to put this on a shirt. So here we go. This is what this Ultimate Text app can do. And now we're going to move into Canva and create a template so we can try to sell this design. We can show it on our social media so people can see it. But before we do that, I want to update the top text. So once we download this one, now we're going to say replace mom with dad. All right, and now we have our dad shirt. And if you wanna create one with sister, brother, cousin, all you have to do is the same thing. on the prompt, instead of, you would say replace dad with brother, replace dad with sister, whatever you need. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to download this one, and now we're going to open up our Canva. All right, guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on create, and then click on an Instagram post, and then we're going to go to elements, and we're going to I had already searched for a woman and a man previously, so I am going to bring him in here. All right. Actually, I don't want him to be taking over the whole space. So I'm just going to kind of move him there. And then we'll bring the woman. Okay, we're going to remove his background. Now remember, I do have the paid Canva version, so I'm able to remove the background. If you don't have the Canva paid version, you will not be able to. You would have to bring it into a different platform and remove the background. People can have like a clear image of what can be done. Okay. All right. So now what you do is you can name it. All right, so this is an example of you guys creating a mock-up of a design that you guys completed with the Imagination Art Ultimate Text app, okay? This app is available to you for free if you are a member of the Party Favorite Club. So I hope you guys like this tutorial, and I will be seeing you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you later.